Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create animated background on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my InShot application on my mobile phone, this one, and then I'm going to create new project on InShot. I'm going to select video and then select new, and we can go to the InShot material to get the animated background for our video. Go to the material right here, and then you're going to select the background category, and here you'll be able to get animated background for your video. You just need to select the background that you like, and I'm going to select multiple backgrounds for my video. I'm going to try this one, and then this one, and this one as well. And then after we're done selecting the background, we can click on the check mark and the background will be uploaded to our project. Okay, I'm going to change the ratio guys. I'm going to select this one. All right, and we're going to import our video. You can go to the PIP option, and then you can choose the video you want to change the background. I'm just going to select, for example, this video, and I'm just going to zoom in like this, and then you can remove the background of your video. If you want to automatically remove the background, you can go to the cutout and then select the cutout. You can use chroma feature if your video is green screen video. If your video is green screen video, you can use the chroma feature to remove the green screen. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the background has been removed and the background of my original video has been replaced with the animated background. Okay, that's so cool, right? Alright, and then if you want to export your video, you just need to click on the export and then select the resolution, and then once you're ready to save it, you can click on export and the video will be saved to your gallery. Okay, now the video is being exported. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create animated background on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.